In our last video, we learned how to write to files using write mode. But we also saw that it's destructive. It erases everything first. So, how do you write multiple lines efficiently? And more importantly, how do you add new information to a file without deleting what's already there? Let's level up our file writing skills. The .write method is your basic tool. It takes a single string and writes it to the file. If you want a new line, you must add the new line character, \n, yourself. But if you already have your lines in a list, writelines is much more efficient. It takes a list of strings and writes them all in one go. Just remember, you still need to include the new line on each line in your list. This is the solution to our problem. How do you add to a file without erasing it? You use Append Mode with an A. Unlike write mode, which overwrites the file from the beginning, Append Mode moves to the very end of the file and adds your new content there. It's perfect for things like log files or adding new entries to a list. Let's combine these ideas. This program asks for a guest's name and saves it to a file. The while loop lets us enter as many names as we want. The crucial part is that we open the file in Append Mode A. This way, every time the loop runs, it adds the new name to the end of the file without deleting the previous entries. We also add a new line character, so each guest is on a new line. And that's it. You can now write single lines, multiple lines from a list. And most importantly, you can append data without risking what's already there. Ready to practice this essential skill? Try the Save To-Do List to File problem on CodeChef to master writing and appending to files.